In this video, we will show you how to make paper bracelets. For this task, we will need 20 strips of paper of 4 inches long by ½ inch wide in 2 colors. First, take one strip of paper and fold it in half. Then, fold the edges toward the center. Repeat the process for the rest of the paper strips. Now take 2 strips of different color and join them as shown on screen. Repeat the process for the rest. Take the last strip and only fold in half, then join as shown on screen. As a final step, join the last with the first strip as follows. And as easy as that, you will have a paper bracelet.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.